the N sound. The N sound looks and sounds like this. N. It can be used in any position of a word. For example, if it's used at the beginning, it would sound like no. In the middle of a word, any, and at the end, can. To make this consonant sound, your tongue is behind the top front teeth. The airflow will continue and be directed through the nose, and your voice is on. To make sure that the airflow is going through the nose, put your hand under your nose and say the sound, N. You should feel the air on your hand. The biggest mistake that I see with the N sound is that the sound is not used at the end of a word. Listen, watch, and practice these words with me. N at the beginning of a word. No, new, now, near, need. N at the end of a word. Done, can, fine, mean, open. And N in sentences. No one knew that Nick needed help. Open the can of tuna near the sink. This concludes the N sound.